It's a story from a couple days ago. Today's Wednesday, August 6th, that I wanted to talk about. On Monday, the Senate confirmed our new U.S. Attorney for the District of Columbia. It's an extremely important position. It's the U.S. Attorney for Washington, D.C. That office handles a lot of important cases in front of very important courts. And on Monday, the United States Senate confirmed Fox News host Janine Piro to fill that position. There have been rampant rumors for years that she frequently would appear on air on Fox News in a state of intoxication, meaning that she would be drunk. She formerly was a judge, but she got the nickname Judge Box of Wine. But that fits with Pete Hegseth's situation. She's frequently unhinged on air, and that word is doing a lot of heavy lifting when it comes to Judge Janine. She's a fucking lunatic. She's so batshit crazy that following the 2020 election, Fox News took her off the air because they were afraid of what she was going to say on live television about the 2020 election. Because they feared that she would just be constantly laundering dangerous conspiracy theories about the results. She's a fanatical Trump supporter. And Piro's zealous support for Donald Trump loomed over her coverage of his lies that the 2020 election had been stolen from him through election fraud. Fox preempted her first broadcast following Election Day, but when she returned to the airwaves for subsequent broadcasts, she did exactly that. She launched into a bunch of conspiracy theories about Dominion voting machine, and those segments from her played a key role in Dominion Voting Systems' defamation lawsuit against Fox News, which eventually cost Fox News $800 million. She was in large part responsible for that settlement amount. And within that lawsuit also provided a keyhole view of how Piro's own colleagues viewed her. In an email, an executive named David Clark, who oversaw her show, privately explained why he took her off the air. "I don't trust her to be responsible. Her guests are all going to say the election is being stolen, and if she pushes back at all, it will just be a token." Internal Fox communications also show her executive producer describing her as a reckless maniac who is nuts, who promotes conspiracy theories, and should never, ever be on live television. And so now, knowing that, the United States Senate confirmed her to be the U.S. Attorney for the District of Columbia. So no, there is no bottom, there is no limit to how Senate Republicans will debase themselves for Donald Trump. None of them care at all about maintaining any shred of dignity anymore. I was going to say something that probably would have gotten this video banned. They don't care anymore. They don't give a shit. They want to keep their jobs, and that's the only thing they care about. It's disgusting.